Here is a DIY tip to repair broken pot handles. Remove rods on the reverts and fit them with the handles, and hammer them in place. You can create a container case for your drill bits with PVC casing. Measure the right size, cut the ends and fold them as shown. If you have a broken welding head, you can use this tip to make a DIY one. Drill a nut on both sides, fit the welding rods through to attach them to a handmade PVC handle, and then go welding. This is another good tip to make a wire straightener and also have that twisted finish. Attach it to a drill on one end and the other onto the vise, then run the drill at a slow pace. You can make a DIY holder for your soldering work. Use any sizable iron strip and adjust a clipper by removing one side of it and pressing it flat. Then attach them both with nuts and screws as shown. To attach it to the other end, drill 2 holes and attach it to an iron rod secured on a vise, and then you can attach things to solder. Here is another great idea to make a rail to attach things like a pulley. Cut a piece of steel plate and as shown and drill 4 holes in it. Fit 4 long screws and bolts with 2 small bearings on each as shown. When they are all secured in place, fit the unit on the rail as shown, and you can further develop this to an overhead pulley rail. Here is another DIY tip to make a small furnace shovel. Measure the size as shown and mark the edges and cut grooves on the lines. Then bend the plate on vise and weld the edges. Mark and drill a hole in the back of the shovel, and fit a long screw and wooden handle to complete the shovel as illustrated. To make a permanent steel marker for your everyday DIY work, fit a long screw into a wooden handle, cut the end and sharpen it on the grinder. Using the steel marker, you can make a DIY hand press to use when fitting ends of electric cable ends as illustrated.